So on this prism, we have a bottom here, which is 15 by 6. It's basically a rectangle. It's 15 by 6. So 15 times 6 equals 90. Then we have a back piece here, which is another rectangle that is 15 by 8. So we have 15 times 8, and that equals 120. Then we have two ends. We've got an end right here and an end right here. These are triangles, and these triangles have a base of 6 and a height of 8. So we're going to do 8 times 6 times, divided by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24, but there are two triangles. There's one here and there's one there. So we have to do 24 times 2 to give you 48. And finally, we have this slanted side, which is a rectangle, which is 15 by 10. So 15 times 10 equals 150. So, to recap, we've got the 90, we've got the 120, we've got the 48, and we've got the 150. We have to just add them all together. 90, 120, 48, 150, added together gives you 408, and that is your answer.